Collaboration is absolutely critical in the construction industry, and yet again this is another great example of a company, Ark Fire Protection, that are aligned with our perspective at Quelfire. So we're collaborating, obviously sharing knowledge, and it's been really great to get questions from some of the operatives and installers and contract managers, if you like, all levels of the organisation. So lots of questions is always a really great sign to me. We talk about competency. Competency is about knowing what you know, but it's also about knowing what you don't know. So a really good sign when you see people asking lots of questions and wanting to see the evidence for details. So collaboration is key, and something really strongly endorse. We've been working with Ark Fire Protection for a number of years, and in an industry where things are ever changing and evolving, it's important that we have close collaboration. So we look forward to maintaining our relationship, our already good relationship, into the future.